Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is solutions. What is meant by solution? Most of the people don't know about these solutions. They feel it is a difficult chapter, but it is the easiest chapter to score 4 marks and 2 marks, totally 6 marks from this chapter. When we go on molarity, first we have to know about solution. What is meant by solution? A homogeneous mixture of two or more components. A homogeneous mixture of two or more components is called as solution. Then, what is meant by molarity? Molarity is defined as the number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. What is meant by solute? Solute means a solution containing a small amount is called as solute and a large amount is called as solvent. Then molarity is defined as the number of moles of the solute. Molarity. What is meant by molarity means number of moles of the solute. The smallest amount moles. Number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of water. 1 liter of solution. Or it may be water, NaCl, HCl, whatever it may be. It would be a solution. When we go on the molarity, it is denoted by M and its formula is M is equal to number of moles of solute by volume of the solution in liters. In liters. Here, molarity is denoted by capital M and how to write its formula means number of moles of solute per volume of the solution is called as molarity. When we go on it in liters, N by V, number of moles of the solute, in short form it is known as small n, volume of the solution, volume V, in liters. In the milliliters, we have to multiply this component into 100. This component into 100. Here we can see M is equal to N by V into 1000. Because here is milliliters, here is liters. So milliliters is changed, liters is changed to milliliters and it is multiplied with 1000. Units of molarity. Molarity units. Number of moles. Moles per. Here volume in liters. So moles per liter. Then molarity changes. Molarity is changes with change in temperature. Molarity changes with change in temperature. For problems, we use this formula. Here it is, no? For problems, we use this formula. N by V in milliliter into 1000. Since N is equal to W by GMW, where W is equal to weight of the given element. Weight of the element, that means a solute. Gram molecular weight of the element or molecule. Molecule weight and weight given in the problem. M by W by GMW into 1000 by V in milliliter, or here it is, you can see M is equal to W by GMW into 1 by V in liters. These are the formulas we use in the molarity. This is the most important topic in IPE or MCET base. I will post this video in the Telugu also. You can see there. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, share to your friends. Thank you.